We are in Maharajganj area of Siwan in Bihar, and this is one of the 9 bridges which has fallen in last 12 days. And remember, it started from districts like Aradia and Motihari, then Madhubani, and 4 bridges have fallen in Siwan. This is the Gandaki River. This is the Maharajganj area of Siwan. This is the Gandaki River. Very strong currents out here, and this is a bridge which was constructed in 2004 through MP LAD Fund, the Member of Parliament Development Fund, the Local Area Development Fund it is called. And this was when Maharajganj MP was Prabhunath Singh. He had given funds for this bridge. So remember, these are the bridges. Usually the bridges of the MP LAD Fund, they are very small in size, and the quality of the construction as per is not as per the mark, and that's the reason why most of the 9 bridges which have fallen are the MP LAD Fund bridges, and though few of them are also from the Rural Works Department bridges, but most of them, the majority of them, are MP LAD Fund bridges. And remember, these kind of bridges in rural areas are lifeline for the local people out here, as we are told by the local residents here that this bridge alone actually helps around 10 to 15,000 people commute every day, and it connects more than 50 to 20 villages which are on the other side of the river. I'm joined by a local here. He's a local resident out here. ये बताइए कि ये ब्रिज जो है, ये पुल जो है, कितना महत्वपूर्ण है यहाँ?
ये प्रभुनाथ सिंह के फंड से बना है। और रही बात की इसकी क्वालिटी में कोई दिक्कत नहीं था। ये जो पुल है 35 मीटर का, यदि ये लंबा पुल जो बना है, और नदी की जो खुदाई हुई है अभी हाल फिलहाल में, वो 40 मीटर से ज़्यादा हो गई है। तो ऐसे में पुल का जो पानी का जो फोकस था वो किनारे गया, किनारे जाने से मिट्टी नीचे की तरफ आई और पुल बैठ गया। क्वालिटी में कोई कंप्रोमाइज नहीं था, जो पुल अभी चलता।
So this very important point he's making. If I could just show you, it is because of the erosion on the bank of the river, which is actually leading to the collapse of these bridges. So there was a dredging which happened in this village just to maintain the depth of the river. This dredging which happened in this Gandaki river, this actually led to the erosion on the banks of the river, and which eventually resulted in the collapse of the bridges. In many of the places where the bridges have collapsed, this has been the story, but the fact remains that the government of Bihar has lot to answer as far as the quality and the maintenance of bridges in Bihar is concerned. From Siwan, this is Prabhakar Kumar for NDTV.